How to delete songs on Instagram posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete songs on your Instagram posts. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you would like to delete songs on your Instagram post, it is actually quite very simple. But first of all, just understand one thing. That is that if you happen to post something and then you added a music to that post, right? So after you added the music, even if it was a photo, that photo became a video. How? Because when you add music, it will add a certain time frame. When you add a time frame, it is not a photo any longer and it gets converted to a video, and then you go ahead and then post it. And can you remove music on Instagram after posting? Well, unfortunately, the answer is no. Even if you tap the three dots option, there is no option to go ahead and remove that song. You can tap on edit and do whatever you like. The only thing that you can do is you can delete the whole post and then repost it without the music, or just leave it on with music. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.